In this video, I will show how we can get a timer to display in our user interface and countdown. To add the timer to our game, we're going to right-click on our root level node, add child node, and search for a timer. Select the timer and create it. Now I'm going to right-click and rename my timer to level timer. Now with the timer selected, over on the right side, we can see the inspector and the different properties that are available to us. So the wait time is how long the timer will run for. So I'm going to set mine to 30 seconds. Now I'm going to tick the one-shot option. The one-shot option makes sure the timer only counts down once. If this was not enabled, then it would mean that once the timer reached 0, it would repeat again. So I only want the timer to run once, and I'll also select auto start so that the timer starts counting down automatically at the beginning of the level. Now we'll swap to the scripts view and make sure that the game manager script is the one that's open. So I'll start by dragging in my timer from the UI, so not the level timer, but the user interface timer. We'll left click and drag and hold the control key and let go so that we have a reference. And let's update this path to include the / label. Now we'll also create a reference to our level timer and drag it over, hold the control key, let go, and now we have a reference for the level timer as well. Now in the ready function, we're going to set the initial value for the timer. So we'll do mostly the same thing as we've done before. We're going to say timer.text, and remember that's referring to the timer label that we've referenced, equals str level timer dot time underscore left. Now what we're doing there is we're referring to the level timer, and the level timer has a property called time left, which is the value of how much time is left on your timer. So if it's a 30-second timer and it's lost 5 seconds, then the value of this would be 25. So that'll display the current time at the beginning of the game, but we need the timer to update constantly as it goes down. So in the process function down here, we will say the exact same. So I'll copy and paste timer.text is equal to the level timer.timeleft. Let's run and see if this works. So it is working, it is counting down, but you'll notice we have this really long decimal number. So to fix that, what we'll do is wherever we're printing this, so just here in front of the first round bracket, but before level timer, we're going to write int, do a round bracket, and then close a round bracket over here at the end. And what that does is that just makes sure that the decimal numbers get removed. I'll also add that back in at the top here. Now if we run the game, we have our countdown timer running perfectly. In a future video, I'll show how we can get the game to display a game over message once the countdown timer reaches the end. But for now, that's how to get the timer updating on the user interface.